Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the part 4 of the recording series. So in this example I will show you that how to create chart and graph using recording functionality. Right, as in previous tutorial I have also mentioned that it is not possible to do entire end-to-end automation using recording, but if you are just learning the VBA and you do not have any experience regarding how to just record the macro and how it's basically works, so just because of that I'm just uploading these videos related to the recording, right? So this is a part 4 of this series. So if you have not watched previous video, then you can go to the play list, not playlist, but then you can directly go to the video and you can just find that part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So in this example what we're gonna do, then this is my data. So I will just use record macro functionality, and according to that I will just create graphs and chart. So first of all, if you are not aware about that how to create charts, I need to just select this data, go to insert, and here you can see multiple charts. Like this is a column chart, this is a bar chart, and this is a stock surface and radar chart, and this is pie chart, and this way multiple charts are there, right? So if I'll have to just create a chart for this these values, month and values, like, right? So what you will have to do, I have to go to the view option, and here in right hand side you will see the macro option. Click here and click on this record macro, and you can give it a name like I will say like column chart, and I will press OK. So now you can see that macro is recording now. So I have already selected this data, then I will go to the insert, and this is column chart. I simply click here and I will click on this chart. Once I will click here, then this chart is appeared over here, right? Then I will stop this macro and I will delete this chart as well. Then I will go to the insert option and I will choose any one of these shape, and I will select here, and I will just go to the edit text and write here like column chart. Then I need to just right click here, then assign macro. Then you can see that this macro which we have recorded right now, click here, press OK. So in this button that macro has been assigned. If I'll click here, then you can see that instantly this chart over here. Same way we will insert another chart. So first of all I will select this value, go to the insert option, right? First of all I will select this chart, then I will go to the first of all view tab, and then in macro option, then record macro. And in this time I will just going to insert a pie chart. Then the macro name is pie chart, and press OK. So macro is again start recording. Click on insert, and this is a pie chart. Click here. Then you can see that pie chart is appeared over here. Then stop this macro. Then delete this button as well. Use another shape, and this time you will write here like pie chart, and right click here, assign macro. So this macro this time we have developed or recorded. Click here, that's all you will, and then click outside of this button, right, in any cell, so it will just come out from the selection mode. Then simply click here, then you can see that this is a pie chart. I will delete it, click on the column chart, and the column chart is appear. In this way you can just record the macro, and you can use these options as well, right? But once I will started to upload create our own code, then I will let you know that how to create such kind of how to create coding and how to develop such kind of code, right? So in this record option, so you can just find it out that how we have insert chart using this button, and how we have assigned the macros in this button. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.